Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change or increase the speed of your mouse pointer on Windows 11. So if you feel your mouse pointer is too slow and you need to increase it, it's very easy. You can click on settings. Here you can try to search a Bluetooth and devices. And here we go. This is the mouse buttons, mouse pointer speed and scrolling. You can click it. Here we go, the mouse pointer speed. You can try to decrease and increase it. So this is not sensitivity, but this is like more how your pointer is moved into from the corner into the next corner. So I recommend you to increase if you want to or you have a large size of your monitor. So here we go. Maybe if you use a VA monitor, there is a ghost thing here, for example. So this is how you can change your speed, increase your speed of your mouse pointer. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.